Chaz Bicknell with Realty One Group MVP here. One of my favorite neighborhoods, Imperial Golf Course Estates. Wait until you see this home. Well maintained on an oversized, very large lot. Very nice large square footage, lots of windows. Nice front entry. I love this neighborhood. My mom worked at the club in the early 80s. Long time ago. Lots of updating and upgrading in this home. Big open sliders that pocket, so the whole back of the house is open. The kitchen with windows to the backyard as well. Nice island, all newer appliances, updated flooring. Beautiful dining room with more windows. Large pantry, large formal dining area, also with pocket sliders. Bedroom that also goes to the back. Nice big backyard, completely fenced around the pool. Full bathroom, dual sinks, updated with a big tub and shower. So 2 bedrooms on this side that can be completely closed in. And a bathroom in between. Feel free to call me anytime to see this home or other homes in Southwest Florida at 239-272-4442, or use my website below at www.chazbicknell.com to see all properties for sale in Southwest Florida. Nice oversized 2-car garage with pull down stairs to the attic with lots of storage space. Laundry sink in the laundry suite with lots of space. And now the master suite with nice high tray ceilings. Lots of room in the master. Also a slider out to the backyard. Dual sinks with a shower. A huge walk-in closet area. Call me anytime and let me put my 27 plus years of experience selling real estate in Southwest Florida to work for you. Now look at this huge lanai all under the original roof line. More space than you could ever need. Let me know how I can help you.